Hello everyone, and welcome to my first tutorial, which is ProfiCAD tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to introduce you to basic ProfiCAD functions, how to create a document, a little bit about the interface and the tools, and after that we will jump straight into what most of you are looking for in this tutorial, which is the dual rail power supply. So let's get started. So first of all, you will need to have ProfiCAD installed in your computer. Let's open it. So once you open it, you go to Files, and then you just press New Document. And there it is. So first of all, this is the interface. There's a lot of functions which I advise you to try them out individually, see what they do and how they work. But mainly today we will work with these ones here, with the line function and some shapes, and also the symbols function, where we could literally find anything we need for any schematic that you wish to do. So let's get started. So the line function is literally, it's the way I choose to do the wiring. You can do it by using this thing right here or this one, but just because I prefer to use the line, I'm going to use it for today. So yeah, I'll start with the schematic. So first of all, we will need a few symbols, and I'm going to show you how to search them. Just go to the search symbol and then insert whatever you want to search here. And I'm going to look for diode bridge first. So there they are. So these symbols right here. And in our schematic, we will need the plus to be to the right hand side. And we just double click on it, and just for now I will put them here, and I'll show you what to do with them later. Also, we will need capacitors. So for this schematic we will need capacitor electrolyte with the little plus sign here. Double click on it and we'll put it here, and later on we will use it. Also, we will need resistors. There they are. Double click, just stick it in here. And we will need also a fuse. So all you need to do is just go here, search the name, and double click on the sign or on the symbol once you find it. So once we have all the components here, we can start working. I advise you to use a mouse for this, because we will need to scroll in and out and move the camera in some parts, and if you don't have a mouse it can be a bit tricky. Not impossible though. Also, at the end I'll show you how to fill in this ProfiCAD title block. Yes, that's the name, the title block. So first of all, we will need two of these, and what I do is I just copy the sign. I'm using the Ctrl+C command, and this way I can paste it anywhere on the board. And if you want to undo, you just press Ctrl+Z. So we need two of these. let's say one here and one here. And also we'll need to make the two capacitors, and because they don't have a specific symbol in here, or there is, but what I chose to do when I did my schematic, it was just to create my own because it's a bit easier. So all we do is zoom in and we just create them. Right, I forgot to mention that the symbols come in small shapes, but you can easily make them bigger if you wish. So we will make these a bit bigger just to have more clarity. So to make these boxes, you can make it individually with the line function, or you can just take a rectangle shape and go for it. You can edit these things at any point if you want, so this way you can judge which way would you like your schematic to look like. Now I also need to find a AC signal, so we just type AC. There it is, AC voltage source. I will put it here. Now we start off with this. And we can also change the shape. I will stick it in for now. Later on in the video I will show you how to put comments and labels on everything so that you can know exactly what they are. So we take the line function here and we start to create our schematic. It's very easy to use this. You just need to practice a little bit at first. So once you have your line, you just press click once so that the line is established. And then we go again. That's it. And then we connect this to this. There we go. Sometimes you might need to go over again. That's why I said you might need a mouse to be able to zoom in and out, because it's very useful. So now let's continue. We will have to connect the gates to the power source, and be careful. So this is the AC part and this is the DC. Actually what we can do is right now is to make comments. All you need to do is to go to this thing, lettering, and you press once and then you insert your text. I'm going to insert AC. Right, and we just stick it in here. All you have to do is to press it once and that's it. So don't do the same step over and over, like going here and typing AC again. You just click once and you copy it with Ctrl+C and then you paste it again here. And now we make one for DC. And we stick it in here. We copy it and then we stick it in here. And now you know exactly where it should go. We also have to connect this one to the power source, and now these symbols will come